Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Mommies in Tiny Tots. I hope you all are doing great. Well, if you are new to my channel, I would like to introduce myself. I am Neha, a mother of a daughter who just turned 1. And this channel is all about parenting. It's a sure shot destination for all your queries related to pregnancy, parenting, mother care, baby food, Montessori activities, product reviews and so on. And in today's video, we will be discussing about tummy time for babies, like what is tummy time, why is it so important, when to start, and to find all the necessary information related to tummy time, do watch it till the end. Tummy time is one of the most important exercises for baby, and it is the period during a day when baby spends awake on their stomach, and it is done under supervision. It is a very crucial exercise for baby's visual, motor and sensory development. You can start as early as the baby's belly button is fallen off, but in the beginning the tummy time session must be of a few minutes, say about 2 to 3 minutes a day. But as baby gets older and stronger, gradually you can increase the length of the time, like working up to the total of 30 minutes a day. Now the question arises, why does a baby need a tummy time? Well, it helps them in developing their core muscles, muscles of their neck, shoulders and back. And it also helps them in meeting developmental milestones and to possibly help prevent early motor delays and conditions such as flathead syndrome and twisted neck. As I told you earlier, tummy time is a very crucial exercise for baby's healthy motor, visual and sensory development. Because when baby is in his tummy time session, he tries to lift his body, which helps him in strengthening their core muscles, muscles of their neck and back. It also builds a foundation for baby to meet his motor milestones like rolling, sitting, crawling and walking. Well, during tummy time, baby feels a lot of different textures. You can say a texture of a blanket, pillow, a carpet, whichever you are using for their support, on their hands, arms and sometimes cheeks. So this helps them in developing their tactile sense, that is the sense of touch. And as baby moves, their weight shifts, they develop and gain a sense of body awareness. And when you are positioning your baby differently, that helps them in developing their movement and balance. Tummy time helps in developing eye and hand coordination, because when baby is lying on their stomach and they are looking down at their hands, they can see what they can do with their tiny little hands. Like they can grab their toys, they can move a little bit. So all this helps in developing their visual senses. If baby has different people taking care of them, so make sure that all the caregivers or all the caretakers know that it is a normal part of baby's daily routine. If baby resists tummy time, do a couple of minutes of tummy time after every diaper change or after every bath, so that baby starts expecting it, and always avoid tummy time immediately after feeding. If baby cries during tummy time, well, this most of the time happens that baby gets cranky, irritated or fuzzy during tummy time. So try doing the tummy time exercise when your baby is most happy, very energetic and in a good mood. You can also make it a fun time. You can sing songs during tummy time to soothe the baby, to calm the baby. You can also place their brightly colored stuffed toys around them and help them reach for them and play with them. You can also use rattles and mirrors that will also encourage in their visual tracking. If baby falls asleep during tummy time, But this also happens many a times that baby either gets sleepy during tummy time or falls asleep during tummy time. So put them on their back and do not allow them to sleep on their stomach. I hope this video was helpful for all the new parents, and if you found the content useful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow my pages on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description box. Stay tuned with us for more upcoming videos. Thank you and take care.